2 years ago, BC and I started with a dream, a little bit of an idea, and a whole lot of grit. He and I, along with a bit of muscle, determination, and a whole lot of love, built the Ninja Groomer, our very own grooming shop. We didn't have a fancy blueprint, but I will tell you, BC spent hours and hours in his office drawing out his design, his plans, his dream, and his vision. And it involved 2 shipping containers. We used a crane to set them in place. We hired a guy. But from that point on, it was all us. And when I say all us, I mean from the very ground up. We did have a couple of helpers along the way, some friends of ours and my brother, and we are so grateful for that. We also had someone finish our drywall, but we did hang all of it. But enough on that. For an entire month, I was on the ground cutting metal. My husband, with years of experience in construction, taught me every skill, from welding to using a powder-actuated fastener gun for the very first time. It wasn't easy. In fact, it was incredibly hard, especially with his battle with multiple sclerosis. Every day was a fight sometimes, but we just kept going. We just kept putting one foot in front of the other. There were days that we both want to quit, and in fact, we both walked away threatening to burn the building down at one point. We had had enough. But again, we just kept pushing. We did it all together. The HVAC, the plumbing, the drywall, laying the floor. We even turned these 2 containers into one, cutting and welding and making it all fit. We ran every single wire in this building. Every outlet, every light, even a special floor outlet for the grooming table. I ran lots and lots of wire, and BC put it all into the main box, a little bit at a time. Very, very tedious work, and he did an incredible job. I ran the wiring through the walls, and he, who's skilled with the electrical work, wired in the main box. We made sure that every single detail was perfect, even the ones no one would ever see. And that is always so important to BC, probably a little bit more important to him than it was me. I put in every screw on that metal roof. We hung the windows and the doors ourselves, both exterior and interior. Every window, every door, each was a step closer to our dream. I learned how to sweat pipes. He installed the central vac system. It's even connected to my clippers, which is something he designed and used his 3D printer to make parts for. And that is what makes one of the whole grooming process here at Ninja Groomer a lot smoother. There were times we both wanted to give up, like I said. We wanted to throw in the towel, but we didn't. We took it one task at a time. Every challenge was just another step forward, and every drop of sweat, every scraped knuckle, every moment of frustration brought us closer to the finish line. And now it's done. And I get to do what I love in a place that was built just for me. A private, one-on-one space where I can connect with the dogs I groom in a way I never thought possible. I had no idea I could be this happy. I had no idea I could love my job this much. Being here at the Ninja Groomer Pet Salon is one of my most favorite things to do every single day. I actually have a hard time leaving it every night, if you can believe that. I enjoy making cute little videos with all of the dogs I groom, and I really do my very best to make sure that every single dog is given the most love possible while they're here. Building this shop didn't just create a business, it built us. It made us stronger, more skilled, and more resilient than we ever knew possible. We had to dig deep some days, and it has really given our souls a lot of strength. In the end, it's not just a place for me to go to work every day. It's a place where we both grew together. We built the Ninja Groomer together. It's just not a business. In fact, it's not just a business. It's a reminder that with love, determination, and a little bit of hard work, anything is possible. It's built with love. It's built with grit, a hell of a lot of grit. And it's built for the future. And this is just the beginning. I'm so incredibly excited for what the future holds for me, for the dogs I groom, and for the husband I love. I hope you keep enjoying watching the videos that I make, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful life.